Hello friends, welcome to I Learn, I Inspire channel. Please watch this video completely, and if you like the video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel for getting notified about my next videos. Also, please put the point you like the most in comments. Hello friends, we all know that do appears a lot in English. To speak fluently, we need to use do more frequently. We use do in the beginning of sentences to make questions like do you speak English? Do they like music? Did the bus arrive? And friends, we use do in WH questions. What does the teacher say? How many apples did you bring? Why does he come late? We also use do to add emphasis to what we say, like I do love him, I did study, he does eat meat. And we also use do to tag questions while we speak, like she likes music, doesn't she? They run a company, don't they? To know all these uses correctly as how to use do, does, did, we need to watch this video. Let's start. Friends, in my previous video, we came to know that there are 5 uses of do, does, did. The auxiliary verbs do, does, did are used in 5 situations. In positive sentences as main verb, in negative sentences as helping verb, to make interrogative sentences, to add emphasis to what we say, and to use double do. And friends, out of 5 uses, we had learned the first 2 uses in my previous video. That is to say, we learned that how do or does is used as a main verb in present tense, and how do or does or did is used as a helping verb to make a simple present or simple past sentence into negative. And friends, in this video, let us learn 3 more simple ways of using do, does, did to make questions, to add emphasis, and to use double do. Let us first start with forming questions. But friends, before discussing further, it is very important to recap the basic uses of do, does, did. Friends, please remember that do and does are used in present tense, and do is used with the subjects I, we, you, they and plural nouns, and does is used with he, she, it and singular nouns, and we use did in the past tense with all the subjects whether singular or plural. So, now let us see how to use do, does, did in questions. Friends, normally to make a question in simple present, either for a positive or a negative sentence, we put do or does as a helping verb at the beginning of the question before the subject. Please look at these examples. Also, please remember that the letter S at the end of the main verb in the third person singular for he, she, it disappears when does is used as a helping verb. Similarly, we use did in simple past either for a positive or a negative sentence. We put did as a helping verb at the beginning of the question before the subject. Let us look at these examples. Friends, please note that the questions that use do or does or did can be answered in short with yes or no. Please look at these examples. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And other examples as well. Friends, we can also use do or does or did as helping verbs to tag questions when there is no other helping verb in the sentence. Let us see some examples. You don't speak French, do you? You didn't write the exam, did you? She likes music, doesn't she? They run a company, don't they? She works at Infosys, doesn't she? We passed the exam, didn't we? They didn't attend the meeting, did they? Friends, unlike yes no questions, to get more information in the answer to our question, we can make WH questions. And the words what, where, when, why, who, how many, how much are called question words. Please look at these examples. Friends, now just pause the video and do a small exercise on what we have learned till now. Please put your answers in comments. Okay, now let us see how do, does, did are used to add emphasis to what we say. Sometimes do, does, did are used in positive sentences to give special emphasis. Friends, please remember while speaking, we stress the word do or does or did. Please look at these examples. I do want to go. We put stress on the word do to show importance that you want to go. You do look nice today. She does look beautiful in that saree. We use do for more emotive emphasis when we feel strongly about something. I do love him. I did study. We use did here to confirm and emphasize to make someone believe. Another example, do ping me often. Here, do is used at the beginning of an imperative sentence to emphasize the importance of the imperative verb, importance of the action verb. Friends, now let us observe how we use double do. Generally, do refers to action itself. In such situation, we need do or does or did as a helping verb to make a sentence negative or interrogative. For example, I do my homework on time. Here, do is used as an action verb itself. So, we need a helping verb to make it negative or interrogative. I don't do my homework on time. I didn't do my homework on time. Another example, he does hard work. Here, does is used as an action itself. We need a helping verb, doesn't, to say it negative. He doesn't do hard work. He didn't do hard work for exam, to say it in past tense. Look at other examples as well. Friends, please note another point we need to remember that we don't use do or does or did in questions that have the verb to be or modal verbs. Friends, be forms are am, or, is, was, were. Some modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will and would. Example, she can speak English. Can she speak English? They will come tomorrow. Will they come tomorrow? Hope you found the video useful. Thank you.